Today I'll be making for you popcorn chicken. I wanted to make chicken wings for you today, but the supermarket had run out. So I'm using pieces of chicken breast and cut them up into medium-sized chunks for popcorn chicken. So with this recipe, you can make it for anything. So if you wanted to use it for wings, if you wanted to use it for popcorn chicken, you can use this for anything basically fried. So I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, let's get started. Right, so what we're going to do first is create a flour and corn flour coating for the popcorn chicken. 1, 2, 3 heaps, 3 tablespoons of plain flour. And then I'm going to do the same thing with corn flour. I'm going to use equal amounts, so again 3 tablespoons of corn flour, and then I'm going to give that a mix. Providing how much you've got to create, you can add more or less if needs be, but for now I'm going to keep this as that because there's only a little bit for me to do. I'm then going to add some flavouring to this because essentially this is it. So I'm going to add some salt, probably 2 tablespoons of salt. Just going to grind it in here. And then I have some coarse grounded black pepper. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon for now, and then I'm going to mix it to see if we need any more. And you can see inside that there's not much black pepper, so I'm going to add another teaspoon. And I think I'll just add 1 more teaspoon of black pepper. So that's 3 in total. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add some garlic powder. I don't have garlic powder, so I've got a garlic grater, which will literally turn into a really fine garlic. So I would probably add about 2 tablespoons of the garlic, and then I'll give that a mix. I think I'll add a little bit more because I can't smell enough garlic, and I literally love garlic, so I'll garlic it all up. So I would say again equal amount of garlic powder, so maybe 3 tablespoons that I've done so far. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use some cayenne pepper. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon in, and providing how much you're making, you can add as much or as little as you like depending on how spicy you want it. I like to try and get this to like hot wings like KFC fied, so that's what I'm going for. So I might add some more later. And then what I'm going to do is add some hot paprika. I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of hot paprika, like so. And then you have your coating for your fried chicken or your popcorn chicken, and I'm just going to smell it. Smells good. If you feel like you want to make it really more spicy, more than happy for you to add more paprika or more cayenne pepper. It's completely up to you. I'm running out of cayenne pepper. I've just finished the bottle, so I can't add any more, unfortunately. So mix it all together, and there we go. We have your base for your popcorn chicken. So whilst I was doing this, I had put oil on a really low heat, and our vegetable oil's heating up really nicely. So what we're going to do now, sorry, let me just adjust this. We've got our batter mixture. What we're going to do in this bowl here is we're going to place, let's say, 2 spoons of the mixture in this bowl, and we're going to add just a little bit of water to get a nice batter forming, and then I'll put about 2 tablespoons of water to start with. You don't want it too runny and you don't want it too thick either, because you want to coat your chicken inside this batter. So I'm going to add some more water to thicken it up, to loosen it up, sorry. So I'm doing small little bits at a time, because I don't want it to become too runny. So you want this batter to be runny enough that you can coat all your chicken in it. There we go. So as you can see, that's how runny it is at the moment. And I've only got this much chicken to do, so I think it'll be enough to cover it inside. So I'm going to put all of my chicken inside this batter, like so. And then I'm just going to cover it all up. Make sure you get the batter all over the chicken. And then what I'm going to do is just going to leave it here for 2 minutes, just so the sauce can thicken up a little bit, and the chicken has time to marinate in this. Okay, right. So we've waited a couple of minutes for the chicken to kind of marinate in this sauce, in this mixture. So now what we're going to do is we're going to transfer it to the powder mixture. You could either put this in one by one, coat it in flour and leave it to rest, and then we'll do the frying all together later, or you could just put it all in there. I'm doing these one by one just because I want to make sure that I coat every little bit of the chicken in this flour, and then I'm going to carry on repeating that with all of our pieces of chicken. Okay, hey guys, I'm back. So what I did is I put all the chicken inside the remaining mixture just to get like that extra coating over it. So now your oil should be hot. What we'll do is we'll test with one piece first, and then we can add more. So I'm just going to put in a small piece. Please be careful. I've tied my hair up because I don't want it to come in the way or anything, but your oil should be piping hot on a really low heat, and then we fry away. So I'm just going to do a tester first to see how it's going, to see if I need to put the heat up anymore. And I think I will. I'll just put it on a medium heat, and we'll get that chicken fried, and we'll see how it turns out. And then remember to keep turning your chicken too whilst you're frying them. You're basically frying these until they're nice and golden brown, and that's basically it. Popcorn chicken, because they're a small amount, will only take maybe 1 or 2 minutes to fry. If you're making chicken wings, it might be a bit more longer. I would say 10 to 15 minutes for chicken wings. So yeah, I'm just going to keep on turning this until we get a nice golden crisp colour. You can see already it's getting there really nicely. I think the heat is still on the low side, so I'm going to crank it up a bit. Just leave it on one side because because you want a nice even coating around the whole piece. And I've also got my plate and my kitchen roll ready. Oh. And there we have it. We have our first piece of chicken. I'm just gonna pat this out and cool it down because I want to try it first. It's really hot. So yeah, that's how our fried chicken is looking. And I'm gonna do something really crazy and I'm just gonna bite into it, hopefully, and not burn my mouth. Okay, here we go. I think it needs more salt, but this is good. Whew. That was good popcorn chicken. Yay. All right. Excuse my excitement. Right. So now we're going to go back to the oil and we're going to fry the rest of these. I'm going to do them in small batches. So once they're all cooked, I'll show you how they look. And once again, please be careful when frying. It is very hot. The oil will splat back at you, and just keep a safe distance between yourself and the oil. Actually, I'll show you first how crazy this oil is. So I'll do it in batches. There we go. So as soon as they're in, continue turning them like so, and they'll already start to get really golden crispy. Oh, the aftertaste of my popcorn chicken was really nice. Alright, do you know what? Who needs a bit of salt? It doesn't really matter. Salt's bad for you anyway. Not like this is the most healthiest thing in the entire world, but hey ho. I really miss KFC and I really miss fried chicken, so this is the next best thing. As you can hear, it is having its mind of its own. I will take these two out first because they are looking crispy. Take that one out. And I'll take these out and I'll let them just cook. This may take longer because there's more chicken inside. Okay, while that's doing, I'm going to go have another one because they tasted so good. I'll show you a close-up. It literally looks like KFC chicken. It just has such a nice crunch to it as well. Like the crispiness from outside. Oh my god. Should have blew it a bit before putting it in my mouth and acting and looking a bit crazy. So sorry for that, guys. Do you know what? I was going to make a Frank's hot sauce with this. Didn't even need it. So yeah, I'll be back, guys, once these chicken pieces are done. So there we have it. We have our fried chicken. It's hot, it's crispy, and it tastes absolutely amazing. So it's KFC in my own kitchen. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and as always, thank you for watching.